Hey guys, it's Itshlengy I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I made this really cute short sleeve dress which I saw on Pinterest. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Itshlengy and I do fashion, skin and hair videos. Let's get to the video. Okay, you're gonna need a stretchy material. It can be black or what any color. So I'm going to be using my t-shirt as a pattern to guide me when I'm making the dress. So now I'm just cutting out the material and I'm measuring everything. So I saw this dress on Pinterest and I fell in love with it, and I said I need to do this. I need to make this dress. You can rock this dress anywhere, at work, at church. So I'm going to be sewing both sides of the dress. I'm not going to show you that process, unfortunately, because I'm using my hands and it's a long process. So after that, I've just cut out the collars, the short sleeves, and I lost that footage. Unfortunately, I apologize, guys. But I'm done cutting them out now. I just have to attach them. So now I'm just going to show you how I attached the sleeves. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe for more fashion videos like this. Make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and share with others. So I'm actually done now. I'm gonna use these straps to tailor my dress properly, and yeah. Now I'm done with my dress and I love it. See you guys next time. Bye.